Welcome to SEO Mastery II, one step forward to boost your website rankings. Over the next few weeks, we will embark on a deep dive into highly technical SEO implementation skills. In the previous course, we covered essential on-page optimization best practices. Now, we will go beyond the basics to explore some of the more nuanced coding aspects that can take your SEO results to new heights. Even seasoned digital marketers and SEO practitioners may not be familiar with all of the technical optimizations we will cover. The techniques discussed go deeper than standard on-page fundamentals, delving into granular HTML, XML, and code configurations that power how your content is displayed, discovered, and engaged with across search engines, social media, and all devices. We will learn about elements like meta tags, JSON markup, XML sitemaps, and more. Through a maze of coding exercises, real-world case studies, and projects, our goal is to give you an advanced skill set that few in the industry possess. Being able to properly configure and apply these detailed technical optimizations can unlock new opportunities to boost traffic, increase visibility, and enhance the overall user experience on your website. Over the upcoming weeks, we will not just teach you about these niche SEO techniques, but also ensure you have the hands-on ability to implement upgrades independently. You will leave this training with a thorough understanding of your website's technical foundations and be empowered to diagnose and solve complex SEO issues that others cannot. By learning these very specific coding best practices, some even secret weapons, you will gain a true competitive advantage in both your career and client projects. I'm excited to guide you through this deep dive into hyper-targeted SEO implementations that can move the needle. Let's get started with our first module.